Hello, hello. Wait, before we start, Lamb, I have a strange question for you.
A strange question? I am scared already.
Good. That means the lesson is working. Here's the question. Do you wake up every day, but your brain wakes up 1 hour later?
Yes, every day. My eyes are open, but my brain is sleeping.
Exactly. That is the secret of mornings.
So, is my brain lazy?
No, Lamb, your brain is just shy in the morning. Welcome, everyone, to Big Progress Channel.
Yay! Welcome, welcome!
This is the channel where we learn English slowly.
With simple words
Short sentences?
and many laughs.
Yes, many laughs, because learning English should be fun, not scary.
Hannah, can I tell a secret?
Of course, I love secrets.
I study English every day.
Wow, good student.
But when someone says, "Tell me about your day," my head is empty.
Empty? Like no words?
Yes, empty like my coffee cup after 5 minutes.
Ah, that is a very common problem.
Really?
Yes, many learners know words. Many learners know grammar, but when they talk about daily life, they freeze.
Yes, freeze, like a frozen chicken.
Yes, a frozen English chicken. Today's topic is very simple.
Simple sounds good.
Today, we talk about your day.
My day? Every day?
Yes, every day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
But my day is boring.
That is perfect.
Perfect?
Yes, boring days are the best for learning English.
Hannah, why?
Because you live the same day again and again. You wake up, you eat, you work, you sleep.
Wow, when you say it like that, my life sounds very simple.
And that is the power. Simple life, simple English. Here's today's promise.
A promise?
Yes, a big promise. After this podcast, you can talk about your day in English.
Really?
Yes, slowly, clearly, with confidence.
Even if my English is bad?
Especially if your English is bad.
I like this promise.
Good, but wait, one more question.
Another shocking question?
Yes, very shocking. Do you think native speakers use big words every day?
Yes? Maybe?
No, they use small words.
Small words?
Yes, small words, big progress.
Hey, that sounds like our slogan.
Oh, you noticed. Very good. Let me ask you something easy.
Okay, easy is my favorite.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Good. And how is your day going?
My day is okay.
Perfect. You are already speaking English about your day.
Wait, really?
Yes, that is real English.
But it is too short.
Short is good. Short is clear. Short is strong. Let's imagine a normal morning.
My morning?
Yes, your real morning, not a movie morning.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Great. Very clear.
I don't like waking up early.
Ah, welcome to the club. Everyone, listen carefully. This sentence is very useful. I wake up at 7 a.m. Simple subject, simple verb, simple time.
No stress.
No stress. Exactly.
After I wake up, I stay in bed.
How long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. You are honest.
Sometimes 10 minutes.
Oh, dangerous. Very dangerous. So you can say, first I wake up, then I stay in bed.
My English is describing my bad habit.
English is very honest. After that, what do you do?
I get out of bed, slowly.
Slowly is a good word.
I go to the bathroom.
Yes, everyone goes to the bathroom. You are not alone. What do you do there?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I wash my face.
Perfect.
I look at myself and say, "Who are you?"
That is advanced English, Lamb. So far, your morning English is great.
Really?
Yes, look, I wake up, I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, I wash my face.
Wow, that is my real life.
Next question.
Okay.
Coffee or no coffee?
Coffee.
Loud and clear.
I make a cup of coffee.
Beautiful sentence.
While the coffee is brewing,
Oh, while is a nice word.
I check my phone.
Modern life English. What do you check?
Messages, emails.
Social media?
Yes, for 5 minutes.
5 minutes again?
Yes, I like 5 minutes.
This is very real English. No textbook, no robot English.
Just my lazy morning.
Exactly. After coffee, what's next?
I get dressed.
What do you wear?
Simple clothes.
Good. You can say, I wear simple clothes.
I don't wear fancy clothes.
Perfect negative sentence. Then breakfast?
Yes.
What do you eat?
Toast, sometimes eggs.
Nice. Simple breakfast.
My breakfast is simple.
That sentence is gold. Do you leave your house after that?
Yes, at 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Like many people.
The bus is slow.
That is also real English. On the bus, what do you do?
I listen to music.
Or podcasts?
Yes, English podcasts.
Good answer. Very good answer. Everyone listening, please notice something. Lamb is not using big words. He is using real life English.
Small words.
Yes, small words. Lamb, do you arrive at work early?
I arrive at work at 8:30 a.m.
On time?
most days.
Honest again. What do you do first at work?
I check my emails.
Just like many people.
Then I start my tasks.
Very good work English. Do you work on a computer?
Yes, for many hours.
That sentence is very common.
My eyes are tired.
My eyes feel that sentence. And lunch, what time?
At 12 p.m.
What do you eat?
Rice, sometimes noodles.
Sounds good.
I eat with my coworkers.
Nice social English. Do you talk and laugh?
Yes, sometimes complain.
Complaining is international English. After lunch, what happens?
I go back to work.
Meetings?
Sometimes.
Do you like meetings?
No.
Short answer, very clear. When does your work finish?
At 5:30 p.m.
That sounds like freedom time.
Yes, very happy time.
After work, what do you do?
I go home.
How do you feel?
Tired.
One word is enough. When you get home, do you relax?
Yes, I sit on the sofa.
Sofa English is important.
I watch TV.
Or phone?
Phone and TV.
Double screen life. Everyone, can you see something? Lamb is telling his whole day with very easy English.
I am surprised.
We're not finished yet.
There's more?
Yes, evening and night.
Oh, my day is long.
Dinner time.
Around 7 p.m.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Sometimes is a good word.
Sometimes I order food.
Honest English again. After dinner, what do you do?
I wash the dishes.
Good life skill.
Slowly.
Everything is slow today. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I walk.
Walking is perfect.
I think when I walk.
Thinking English is free English. Before bed, what happens?
I take a shower.
Then,
I use my phone.
for 5 minutes
Yes, 5 minutes.
or 30 minutes.
Maybe 30.
And bedtime.
Around 11 p.m.
Do you sleep fast?
No.
Welcome to adult life. Lamb, do you see something important now?
Yes.
What is it?
My day is a story
Exactly. And English helps you tell that story
with small words,
with short sentences.
with real life.
In the next part,
Next part?
yes, we will take your day and turn it into confident English,
Even for beginners?
especially for beginners. We will practice again.
More practice?
Yes, more fun, more confidence.
I feel less scared now.
Good. That feeling is important because learning English is not about being perfect. It is about speaking step by step, using your real life and trusting the process.
Hannah, I think I can really do this.
Yes, Lamb, you can, and we're just getting started. Getting started is always the hardest part.
Yes, like waking up in the morning.
Exactly like that. But now, Lamb, you are awake.
My brain is awake now. Coffee helped.
Good. Let's continue from where we stopped.
Evening and night, right?
Yes. But before we move forward, let's do something important.
Important sounds serious.
Don't worry, it's easy. Let's look back at your day.
My whole day?
Yes, slowly, step by step.
Okay, I am ready.
In the morning, you wake up.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
You get out of bed.
Slowly.
You go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Perfect. Then you make coffee.
I love coffee.
You check your phone.
Messages and emails.
Real life English again. After that, you get dressed.
I wear simple clothes.
You eat breakfast.
Toast and eggs.
Very clear. Then you leave your house.
At 8 a.m.
You take the bus.
The bus is slow.
But your English is fast. At work, you check emails.
Yes, always emails.
You work on your computer.
For many hours.
Like many people listening now, at noon you eat lunch.
With my coworkers.
You talk and laugh.
And complain a little.
That is very human English. In the afternoon, you work more.
Sometimes meetings.
And then,
Freedom time. Work finishes at 5:30 p.m.
see, Lamb?
Yes,
You just told your whole day again.
and I did not panic.
That is progress.
Small progress?
Small progress every day makes big progress.
I like that idea.
Now, let's add a little fun.
Fun English?
Yes, English can smile. Let me ask you a funny question.
Okay.
What is the hardest part of your day?
Waking up.
Not meetings?
Meetings are number 2.
Good ranking. You can say, the hardest part of my day is waking up.
That sounds very real.
Real English is the best English. What is your favorite part of the day?
Dinner time.
Food English is always strong.
I feel happy when I eat.
Short sentence, big feeling. You see, Lamb, English is not about long sentences.
It is about clear sentences.
Yes, clear and honest. Many learners think my English is too simple.
I think that every day.
But native speakers love simple English.
Really?
Yes, because simple English is easy to understand. Let's practice one more time.
Again?
Yes, repetition is your friend. Tell me about your evening.
Okay. After work, I go home.
Good start.
I feel tired.
One word is enough.
I sit on the sofa.
Sofa English again.
I watch TV.
Or phone.
Phone first, then TV.
Very modern routine.
Around 7 p.m., I eat dinner.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
And other times?
I order food.
Honest English wins again.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Slowly.
Yes, always slowly.
Your life keyword is slowly.
In the evening, I relax.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
Nice.
Sometimes I walk.
Very healthy English.
Before bed, I take a shower.
Good habit.
I check my phone again.
For 5 minutes,
Hannah, be honest.
30 minutes.
Yes.
And bedtime?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you sleep fast?
No, I think about life.
Deep English now. Everyone listening, please notice this. Lamb is not special.
Hey.
I mean, his day is normal.
Okay, I agree.
Your day is probably very similar, and that is good news.
Why is it good news?
Because you can talk about it in English. You don't need travel stories. You don't need big adventures. You need your real day.
My boring day.
Your perfect English practice day. Now let's do a short review together.
Review time.
Yes, short and simple. What verbs did we use today?
Wake up.
Good.
Get out of bed.
Yes.
Brush my teeth.
Perfect.
Wash my face.
Nice.
Make coffee.
Everyone loves that one.
Get dressed.
Yes.
Go to work.
Very important.
Have lunch.
Essential English.
Finish work.
Freedom word.
Go home.
Relax.
Make dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Take a shower.
Go to bed. Look at that list.
It is my life.
And it is your English. Now time expressions.
At 7 a.m.
Good.
At noon.
Yes.
In the afternoon.
Nice.
In the evening.
Perfect.
Around 11 p.m.
Very natural. You see, Lamb,
Yes,
you already have enough English to talk about your day.
I feel more confident now.
That feeling is very important.
Confidence feels good.
Confidence comes from practice.
And simple words.
Exactly. Before we finish, I want to say something to everyone listening.
Serious teacher voice?
Gentle teacher voice. If you are a beginner, it is okay. If your English is slow, it is okay. If you make mistakes, it is okay.
I like this teacher.
Speak about your day. Speak about your life. Speak a little every day.
Step by step.
Small words, big progress. And now, before we say goodbye,
Oh, goodbye time already?
yes, but one small request. If this podcast helps you, please support us.
Yes, please.
Like this episode
Subscribe to Big Progress channel.
and leave a comment below.
Tell us one thing you do every day.
We read your comments
We really do.
and we learn together. Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep it simple.
Small words, big progress. See you next time.
Bye-bye.